Are you an import-exporter or manufacturer who is tired of searching the internet, emailing and calling freight forwarders for shipping rates? Wouldn't you rather have the freight forwarders come to you and compete for your business? Introducing LCLXchange, the perfect solution for your shipping needs. How does it work? At LCLXchange, you submit details about your shipping needs through our rate request portal. Our network of reputable freight forwarders will match their services to your needs at the best rates. You compare each offer in one spot and select the one that meets your needs. Once you select the best offer, we notify the forwarder that you have selected their rate, and the forwarder contacts you directly to move your freight. And the best part is, it is super simple and totally free for shippers. Go to the LCLXchange.com to get started and submit your first rate request now.